Dear teacher and my dear friend, a wonderful morning to one and all presented here. I am Shruti. Today I am here for speech on the topic speaking English. As you already know, English is an international and worldwide language. There are 195 countries total in this world, and out of them, English is a medium of communicates in almost 88 nations. It is the second largest language spoken in India after Hindi, with around 100 million people communicates in English. Apart from this figure, English has become extreme need for young generation and student in today's era. So let's shed some light on it. Firstly, the English speaker are believed to be more confident than other. You know, confidence is the first key to success, and English gives us that confidence to stand and speak in the front of people on stage as well. The people who have good command in English find it easy to deliver lectures or communicate with international or national peoples. If English language grow up your personality also, it almost double your personality. English, it is not just how you look from outside, it lies within you, the way you talk, walk, behave or speak, all the part of your personality. Expert believes that English is not just how your outlook matter 45% and rest 55% your inner skills like speaking or dealing with others. Lastly, the main purpose is that studying in school and university is getting success in your lives. But in the modern world of 21st century, it's impossible to get success without English speaking, as all interview or national companies interviews only in English. To improve your English, you can also take the help of personality development program, or there are some English speaking lectures can also help you to improve your English. Go with your natural way to speak in English. Learn most common basic word or sentences in your daily lives. At last, I want to say that English is a language of 22 to 30 minutes. Practice on your daily life can give you a big change, and do not let you get failures in to by improper English language. Thank you and have a nice day.